At the break of dawn, when the world is still wrapped in silence, a tiny shadow breaks through the mist. A shimmer of blue, a flash of green. The dragonfly takes flight. Elegant, ancient, and unbelievably fast, this little creature has mastered the skies for more than 300 million years. Today we explore the life of the dragonfly, one of nature's most extraordinary aerial hunters. Every dragonfly begins life in a world completely different from the one it later rules. In the shadows of the water, hidden among reeds and rocks, lives the dragonfly nymph. It may be small, but it is already a fierce predator. It waits patiently, unmoving. Then, with lightning speed, a special jaw shoots forward, capturing tadpoles, worms, even tiny fish. For up to 5 years, this underwater hunter grows, preparing for a breathtaking transformation. And then, one day, everything changes. The nymph feels a pull, an instinct to rise toward the light. It climbs a stem above the water and holds still. Its skin begins to split. Slowly, the adult dragonfly emerges, pulling its body free from the old shell. Its wings unfold, wet, soft, glistening. Over the next hour, the sun strengthens them. This moment is delicate, risky, magical. The dragonfly is reborn. With a gentle push, the dragonfly takes its first flight. Each movement grows stronger, more confident. Soon, it becomes what it was always meant to be, a master of the air. A dragonfly's wings are engineering wonders. 4 separate wings that move independently, giving it unmatched control. It can rise straight upward, hover in place, zip forward at incredible speed, or dart backward as if time rewinds. These wings are supported by a web of veins, making them both strong and feather-light. This design has remained unchanged for millions of years because nature perfected it long ago. Now look into its eyes, huge, round, almost alien. These eyes are made up of up to 30,000 tiny lenses, each sending a piece of the world to the brain. Together, they give the dragonfly nearly 360-degree vision. It can see ultraviolet light. It can detect the slightest wing beat of a mosquito from far away. For a dragonfly, the world is a high-speed map, and every movement matters. The dragonfly's hunt is a calculated dance. It does not chase its prey, it predicts it. Before an insect can change direction, the dragonfly already knows where it will be. With perfect timing, it intercepts its target in midair. Tiny flies, mosquitoes, bees, none stand a chance. Its success rate is nearly 95%, one of the highest of any predator on Earth. And while it flies, it eats. Sharp mandibles crush and slice, turning the hunt into fuel for more flight. Dragonflies spend most of their lives near lakes, ponds, and wetlands. These waters are more than homes. They are their legacy. Here they find food, safety, and future generations. A male dragonfly guards his territory fiercely, chasing away rivals with bursts of speed. Every stretch of water becomes a battlefield for the right to mate. The female lays her eggs in the water, continuing the ancient cycle. Dragonflies are more than beautiful. They are guardians of nature. They keep mosquito populations under control. They show where the water is clean and healthy. Where dragonflies thrive, the ecosystem flourishes. From ancient skies to modern wetlands, the dragonfly's story continues. a creature shaped by time, perfected by evolution, and admired by all who watch it glide. Graceful, deadly, timeless. The dragonfly, the true hunter of the air. As the sun sets and colors fade into gold, the dragonfly continues its silent patrol, a timeless hunter shaped by nature's finest design. If you enjoyed this journey with one of Earth's oldest sky hunters, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe BrightMinds for more amazing wildlife stories.